Affirmation ni siyaqhubeka namhlanje sivakashelwe isihambeli sithi sihlonipha kakhulu uMr Mabaso. Yeah, Mr Mabaso umlungisi. Unjani mfethu?
Siyaphila njani?
By the way, igama lami ngusizwe Blose podcast affirmation yazi ukuthi podcast ekhula ngesivinini la eMzansi neAfrika ekhula ngesivinini namhlanje sithe asilande iIFP phela iIFP dala sayigcina especially uphiko lwayo lwentsha bathi IFP Youth Brigade. Yeah, IFP Youth Brigade. Kwani ngiyabuza something Youth Brigade youth league. Why did I really guys with the ANC? I mean the IFP but in youth in like when's the ANC for instance?
Yeah, but I just
it's ANC Youth League. IFP Youth Brigade. Yo. Why available Youth Brigade?
That is a zone to pay us comparing for.
And compared. Oh, I keep the major, which is a full copy of boy.
Very safe brigade, we are not a league, safe brigade.
You make sure anything's a way told or now to try Youth Brigade. What could they allow?
What depends on actually what brigade about not a league. Nothing about the sun and a general always on my league, right?
By the way, I'm going to say, uNobhala jikelele. We IFP Youth Brigade uphiko lwentsha we-IFP. I understand nani sadesi along the way my campus.
Yeah, student movement IFP.
Yenza kanjani yona?
Hayi right nje sikade swina eThekwini College, swine icampus yaseDandi, swine icampus yaseMsina. Yeah, sebenza nje kahle.
So namahloni ani publicize lezi zinto vele nigcine kuningi.
Angithi siyasebenza organization asiphaphi siyasebenza bona ama result ukuthi ayiyasebenza ke lezi.
Oh no ngiyabuza ayi bese nithethe ama college amangaka.
Hayi sona siyawathatha phela. Yabona nje manje since iqala unyaka nje seswina ama campus ayi5.
Lapho FP uba labagijimayo wangempela manje because ngicabanga ukuthi baningi abadala.
Hayi sigijima sonke nje.
Usakhona uplace esikhona.
Collective responsibility. Ukhona national chairperson wephathi.
Yes, I want national chairperson funda iMPL.
Yeah, usebenza official opposition.
Yeah, lapha legislature nosimazi kakhulu ngokugwala. No mangathi.
Yeah.
Bamketula konje lapha phela ngoba ezibe wagcina seyivumile.
Well, ngeke uzovuma ukuphuma ngithi sicontestela ukuba semandleni.
Phela wagcina ephumile.
Ngokomthetho. Yes, waphuma kodwa not that phela ukuthi siya appreciate nje ngiphathi ngoba unongoma istronghold seIFP. We won the majority of the awards there. Okusho ukuthi abantu basafuna iIFP in government but ke vele we know into ama coalitions.
Ngiyazi ukuphetha undabandaba lapha.
Yeah, ngiyambona nje ukuthi usenjoyela nje ipheki yama.
But the product yini
ndabanda nentwana yethu sazomlungisa.
Uzazobuyela emgcine.
Hayi sazomlungisa ndabanda.
Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe besingayisusa emuva kunabantu abazofuna ukwazi uqhamuka usu IFP Youth Brigade Secretary General. And it's a highest position, ne?
Yeah.
Yo, usuka lapho mfethu nepolitiki I understand ukuthi owasolundi kahle. No wonder ukhona la owasolundi.
Yeah, ngizale ngakhula eOlundi ngafunda khona. Ngahamba ke ngaye Soweto.
Yeah. Ngikhumbula lapho ubanga namanye amapolitiki emkhandlweni waseJohannesburg. But qobele
ipolitiki ngijoyine kakhulu eJohannesburg nje nongena kuma positions of leadership. Kodwa ke nje
but ungene lapha kusathi wenzani uShembu Gqobhiji something like that.
Ngiyangena ngesikhathi kunale friends of visit. Uqala kwamba active kakhulu. Uma friends of visit yasizo defend into yakwethu. So lapho engiqala ukuba active khona
kuyona iIFP.
Kuyona IFP yona ngangikhona before nje ngilandela ngangayitsheni nokuthi ingeke into election leadership ngangazo ukuthi nje laba phambi kwethu bona baphethe so kodwa nje uma sesiqala ke seso defend organization ku Friends of Visiting lapho ke ngiqale ukunderstand khona ke politics ukuthi no kuya contest kunama positions kanjalo kanjalo. Then from there ke ngizange ngisastopha ke
ukholo lundi
no ngise Johannesburg.
Oh wamuvele Johannesburg.
Yes ngamuvele Johannesburg nje ngamuvele Johannesburg ngo 2008.
Ufunde phi Mabasa?
High school ngafunda eNsabekhuluma la moya ngabaceza ungakafika aceza kuyozothi mhlawumbe ngazama
uceza lo
ngazama ukuthi before
iceza ibaceza lo bayifakile kodwa uceza I understand usiphumbatha by the umsakazo okhozo suka kwaceza bayifakile kuwa
sewadine yi1
na sikhona
siphumbatha ubaba uJohudla yasewadine yi1 special council uJelezi lapha emakhaya.
So manje waqeda lapho waya kutheshara
ngaye Johannesburg singahlala khona ngahlala eDube hostel for 11 years. Then ngase ngivake ngase ngiyorenta ngaphandle.
Hawu upushile ulelu inkatha.
Yeah ngicabanga ukuthi ngiya 14 years now ku leadership nje IFP because ku eJohannesburg ku district ngibe executive from 2011 up until 2018.
So uzothola ukuthi ini wenze wa join IFP out of all my political formations akhona because maningi kodwa wena wathi nje IFP noma upbringing.
No angiyona upbringing to be quite honest ngoba in fact na kwi ANC I had ifamily yakithi yayi close to ama families and ama leaders we ANC. But ke mina I chose IFP. Ngicabanga ukuthi kodwa ke for me for obvious reasons because ngomuntu okuthandayo ukufunda. So ngaba ne opportunity nje yokubuka ama policies nomlando nokuthi ke umntwana aphinda angene nje bengithanda yena nje
siqhusana.
Yes bengithanda yena njengomholi before nje ngithanda IFP bengithanda yena because njalo mayikhuluma bekangikhuluma lisense nokunezinto azenzayo bezikutshena ukuthi no leader lena futhi engasabi lutho.
So izinto beshiwo ngaye nje
regardless ukuthi uthini ngaye nokuthi environment ithini bekakhuluma eqiniso ngendlela afuna ngayo and lokho ngibe appreciate ngoba I believe ukuthi uma umholi file ukukhuluma eqiniso wethu abantu bayafuna ukuliza noma bafuna ukuliza.
Kulanthini lokuqinisela kuchaza kaka
ayikuningi ayikuningi ngakhuluma manje ngoqale manje ngiyithatha
ukuthi yakubona ukutela baphinda ngene ethi hayi lo indaba zokuthi kube nokuliwa ngezikhali akayifuni ayifuneki axoxe
yabona nje
but elebengathi
umntwana bengayifuni am struggle bengayifuni umntwana pursued education kakhulu because they believed ukuthi abantu like the only way to liberate umphakathi ukuthi kufuneke ufunde. People must be educated.
Ungamphendula kanjani kodwa ngiyajabula ukuthi sengize wathola ithuba lokuthi ube khona la. Ungamphendula kanjani umuntu othi hey but kwakunokuhambisana kakhulu wayelobudlelwano obuhle nalabantu laba ababekwe bathathwa njengabantu ababe oppressor abanye abantu like uMargaret Thatcher ko Britain wathi nobuhlobo obuhle nabantu abanjalo nalabantu ama-BVC state like yo Mangopes Gozos and stuff. Ungaphendula ithini?
A good relationship with everyone until wena usiphumela kuye. Oh yes. So uma ukuthi uma kuye waba nethuba lokwaseduzane komntwana waphinda angene then you will know ukuthi umntwana bengazondi umuntu.
Yes
umntwana yet no hard feelings. Umntwana kungamthuka kusasa uhlangane naye umbingelele asimile futhi aphendule nje. Yes uyabo. So uma ungathi uthi umntwana bene relationship enhle nobani akekho ayine relationship embi naye. Angithi ngizokwenza example nje ukuthi umntwana iIFP neANC ine history very bad. Umntwana spoke kwi memorial service kaMamoni Mandela as a family friend.
Yeah, because mabizo nakho futhi
exactly.
Yeah,
but so history iIFP neANC ayina but umntwana kept friendship yakhe neMandela family, Maponya family, Mlangeni family. You see, so
ngiyakufakazela lapho ngoba kukhona la Winnie Madikizela Mandela afika late stadium walo former presidents ngaleso sikhathi engathi ahlukumeze ngebuye yenze umthize umthelezi waveza
wano wahamba wakhombisa umholi nje noba umngane oqotho kumamuyi so umntwana wayenza
so lenkatha esengithola lethuba nje owala umuntu oyikhulekile sengithi akwafakela ama questions. I'm sorry it's not about umthelezi nokuchaza umthelezi, but do you regard this thing le sasiyiyo la kwaZulu ukuthi kwakuyimele geqe osa kwakunama characteristics of uyimele geqeni yakhumbula nohulumeni wethu sinamaphoyisa ethu sindani kwethu bengifanisa nabo Transkei kwakuthi akube into eyodwa but engathi akubhaliwe phansi kodwa kusuvele
iKwaZulu was never took independence akazazi ayithatha iKwaZulu was always part of South Africa.
Yeah.
Akazayithatha umntwana lokho njalo.
But sekusho ukuthi ama features aleyato yayibizwa ngaleso sikhathi kwangathi
ukuthi into engibukayo ukuthi umntwana wayenza wathi noma engayithathi iindependence iKwaZulu ihleli ise South Africa kodwa kwabavikela abantu bakwaZulu ukuthi bengatholi ukucindezelwa amabhomu ngalendlela amabhomu ayicabanga ukuthi engenza ngakho. So he took all the bullets for abantu bakwaZulu. And lokho in a way wayisave South Africa mase sikhuluma eqiniso ngoba if ukuthiwa iKwaZulu ayithathe independence mhlawumbe ngaba seyitholanga le nkontileka ngoba remember ukuthi lona isona sizwe esasaziwa njengesinamandla and uma uke wadefeata sona vele uwinile yabo and umntwana make sure ke ukuthi uyasiprotect futhi amandla aso yawavikela ukuze aqhubeke bewasebenzise kulole nkontileko yalelizo.
So yena efuna ubumbano lo South Africa
and walithola futhi.
So ngiyazi ukuthi why ngibuza leyo question. Nisamile ku federal state of federalism.
Federalism usamile impela nje it's one of our fundamental policies. Because we believe ukuthi amandla afuneka abe lapha phansi ebantwini. Thina that's what we believe.
Cha ngithi uhulumeni uhluleki uhluleki iziqu ezu-3 wena uyobila lapha kubantu khona lapha why
ngithi you see nje uzobuka maybe the scenario yokuthi ama issues ase-Gauteng wafana nama issues ase-Johannesburg ase-KZN. Like uma ungafika nje eGauteng uthi uzosi-address ufike ukhulume ngedeep yabo then ukuthi sizoba confused nje ukuthi ukhuluma ngani unless ke ukube ne-opportunity yokukhulela emakhaya uyabo. So kunama programs nama policies okufuneke wa implement eKZN wa implement eJohannesburg because awezuphendula leyinkinga zabantu
eyinkinga zabantu abangazo.
So that's why kubalekile ube nama provinces azokwazi ukuthi ngokwezidingo zaleyo ndawo iprogram yakho nebudget yakho ikwazi ukurespond eyintweni abantu ababhekene nazo.
Yeah, no, I think we made a lot. It's not like a blanket approach.
No, it can't be. It can't be. Angithi ngoMpumalanga nje kuneyimayini banenkinga yemayini nani. So uma kunomuntu oseMpumalanga uzokutshena ngama-mines akutshene ngelokunjani ngama-plus yabo. Uma uya eWestern Cape uzoshola something else, uma uzakwaZulu Natal uzoshola something else. So imagine kuno government oyi-one odecide leyo nto leyo. Cabanga ukuthi uzoyi-attend iy'nkinga zabantu.
Yeah, no, ngiyakuzwa, but it's not for me to judge. Come right, come wrong, no, it's fine. By the way, sikhuluma nomlungisi uMabasa. Umlungisi ke ulaphana kwe-IFP Youth Brigade General Secretary noma National Secretary
because we are not an independent.
Oh, uyawona lokuya double check la terms ngiya-educateka yabona lo National
Secretary General uyi-one then i-Women's Brigade banama-National Secretary but i-responsibility is not always the same. Ukuthi nje vele yethu focus.
So we are just playing semantics.
Yeah, me focused ku-youth eka ubhala kwe-Women's Brigade focus ku-Women's Brigade bese sonke ke fit into the Secretary General's office and the President's office.
So
right nje that's why nginamsindo hayi man yazi organization is peaceful ngakho yazi nge-peace kwi-IFP is because the way structuring ngakho
ngitshele Mr. Babasi kuke kwaba nama-rumors the prophets of doom so to speak ebathe yabo bena bekhamba but before mhlambe ngibuze lo mbuzo sekrecoverile ekudlulele emhlabeni kwamntwana wabaphinda ngene.
Well, we will never recover for so long as we live. We will never recover. I mean everything nje esiyona umntwana waphinda angene
yo
everything ngokhuluma nge-IFP nje ukhuluma ngomntwana waphinda angene ngokhuluma ngomntwana waphinda angene ukhuluma nge-IFP as much as i-responsibility yakhe was way beyond i-politics nje ne-IFP because waye prime minister of the Zulu nation and the monarch, so waye ne-responsibility eningi, but i-reality yokuthi thina nje njenge-IFP siyazi ukuthi noma yini esiyenzayo noma yini esiphilayo nesikhulumayo imfundiso yakhe. That's why ubona nama-elections manje sithi let's do it for sharing usabona ubuso bomntwana because vele you cannot divorce i-IFP from umntwana abaphinda angene yabo nasazongena in 10 years to come, in 20 years, in 50 years. So thi masikhuluma njengoba nje le-ANC ikhuluma ngabo babuJohn nabo babuLuthuli nathi nje kuzinto efanayo, so uma ukhuluma nge-IFP nje ukhuluma ngomntwana abaphinda angene. If it wasn't for him ngaba sekho anyway.
Nkulu lento ishoyo. Yo. Kodwa manje khona laba there is why ngithi abanye babangalikada as ama prophets of doom ababethi abayimagine IFP engasekho umntwana wakaphinda angene. Kwabe siqala engathi ne competition ethize between uBulawayo noMphembu, uThamintuli nomnumzana ovele enkosini, the president, the current president of IFP. Your take?
Well, ake ngiqale nje la umntwana wayini
yazi ngithuki ukuthi ngisixolisile futhi stadium kodwa qhubeka
lalela kwagcwala ne-overflow ne fike kwagcwala i-stadium kwagcwala i-overflow
engasekho umntwana
kwagcwala i-overflow kwagcwala i-beach yabo kwagcwala abantu bagcwala ema-parking ngaphandle and uma ngitshela into enzayo kunamabhasi afika ngo-5 ntambama should nango-5 if kuthiwa nje ethi ayirana nje throughout the night nje kwaze kwasekuseni hayi ekuseni kwakho sina almost 200,000
because I was lucky to be there yazi ngabona into eyenzeke kwashayo 11 sekucacile.
Yeah, because lalela i-IFP yaphila nje yabo yaphila i-IFP is strong futhi sazophila and abantu basazophathwa izisu ngoba labo becabanga ukuthi izohamba umntwana mayisengasekho abashemi bayathi but
nayenza kanjani competition ekhona between I think the question everybody.
No, I'm coming to that question.
Yeah,
but ngifuna ukuchazela ukuthi lesi umntwana was a leader. So i-leader uyibona ukuthi ikhulisa amanye ama-leader.
Yeah.
So umntwana ugruma ama-leaders in the IFP. Akashiyanga ama-zombies, ushiya ama-leaders. So bayazi ukuthi kufanele benzeni. And they know ukuthi kufanele belide kanjani i-organization nokuthi bayazi i-vision yomntwana.
So usuphelile ubanga wantuli noBulawayo.
Well, thina sekwi-leadership nabo lo mbango loyo sizwa ngabantu ngaphandle. Angithi
Nelson Mvakanja
uMphembu uhlala kwi-ANC angithi
sekuzonelo zokubanja
president uyimember ye-ANC futhi nami ngimember ye-ANC. So every Monday sihlala ngendawonye nabo. So I'm saying to you umbango kapresident nochairperson waZulu Natal sizuzwa ngabantu ngaphandle thina yabo. And that's why njalo when always when this question arises nabo vele bibhekane emehlweni ngazokuphendula ukuthi ngoba uyabona ukuphendula into nawe ungayazi ukuthi uzoyiphendula njani. Angithi manje makuthiwa nenxabene abantu bengaxabene abazi nabo
but nasebenze ngokuthatha mhlambe omunye uBulawayo ayile National Assembly asale uNtula. I think lo nto yasolve into eningi, don't you think?
But we are not solving a conflict lapha. Angithi upresident uleader yeparty.
Yeah.
So final leader i-caucus kuphi?
Yeah.
Yes. But I remember ukuthi the reason ayela legislature kaZulu Natal is because he was a premier candidate. So why ngeke kumele be premier candidate just because IFP ayisawinanga bese kuthiwa hayi because uso president manje hambe Cape Town. So he had the responsibility to lead the IFP caucus legislature.
Okay.
Yabo. So uthi umntwana uma engasekho because as leader ye-caucus eCape Town engasekho umntwana, then who was the next person to lead the IFP caucus in Cape Town? The president, because it's a national assembly, national responsibility, national leadership that must be there. Yabo. So we're not resolving any conflict. President waye lapha kufanele vele ekugcineni aye khona njenge-leader ye-organization.
Khona bathi kuba confuse abantu abaningi nakho upresident umntwana wakaphinda ngeke former ipresident. Why the president?
Yeah.
eqhubeka lapha eParliament but sokuyithi discuss lo
No, angithi ke
sokuyithi discuss ngelinye
ilanga ngizokunikeza nje answer because bengena controversy lapha angithi bona president
ekhona njalo president uyabloka ufuna ngikandele lento kodwa uzoyiza ukuthi wayengire
okay awuthi nginikeze ithu
yeah because mina ngithi eyinto obunye umuntu ongaphandle ubukayo kwangathi kune rough game manje against uBulawayo because uBulawayo uyipresident but ngathi ublockekile ukuthi ayoseva phela inhlangano lapha because manje kusekhona umthilili kwakwaba nane issue yeyikipa yekhanda ukuthi phela manje usekhona upresident but usungangitshela nje ukuthi ubili ukuthi zonke lezi zinto nikwaze kanjani ukuthi
awuthi ngiqale la uBulawayo waba i-premier candidate kuma elections ka May 2019
yeah
and wa electwa August yes to be the president of the IFP so ungeni kwa president leader official opposition umntwana ngo-2019 May waye president ye-IFP waba yi-caucus leader ye-IFP National Assembly ngo-August wastepa down njengo-president we-IFP i-conference yam-honorisha ngokumenza u-president emeritus we-organization but he was a leader of the caucus at the National Assembly so there was no train smash ukuthi singagijima sekwenza i-reshuffling ukuthi just because uBulawayo seka electiwe njengo-president then manje akaphume ngapha agijime ngapha umntwana waye leader nje National Assembly upresident leader legislature kaZulu-Natal because vele in a way angithi ngo-2019 siyakuma elections umntwana waye presidential candidate phela for the IFP because if usawina ngabe wazoba state president uBulawayo wayezoba upremier if uthi wasawina kaZulu-Natal so there was no train smash i-issue yeyikipa ke let us be honest and be French
phela akubona ubuso
osukume nawe usiveze kahle lezi
umntwana
uBulawayo
no president izohamba i-process
manje kupipeline
angithi nje nasi
sentshela ukuthi kupipeline ukuthi uzogcina esukile umntwana wakhe
cha uzosuka kanjani umntwana is a founder of the party umntwana is a founder of the party ushuthi ANC nje singathiwa nje mangathiwa ikhanda skipper sika babu useme noma babu Dube or babu Mandela sengaba into wrong le kuba nekeeper zakho
lo khona le material ukuthi siya campaign base campaign first face organization currently with IFP go understanding yam shoot me down if I'm wrong uBulawayo uyena iface organization
yeah but no one disputed that
yeah that is why
but here's the issue
after the conference IFP conference ne-NEC took a resolution yoku celebrate legacy yomntwana we celebrated so we dedicated ama-activities of the party in honoring umntwana wabaphinda ngene
ningaqala
well nokuthi ngeke siqede how ungaqeda ukubona founder yakho ngeke siqede vele so these elections we have dedicated them to umntwana that's
why city let's do it for sure we have dedicated them to umntwana wabaphinda ngene and the face umntwana will forever be in the materials of the IFP irregardless of who's the president of the party because he's the founder father so all of us are joining IFP so joining IFP because of umntwana wabaphinda ngene the values the principles yes everything umntwana wabaphinda ngene asifundisa yona so we will always honor and cherish legacy yomntwana and we will always celebrate it so if it's umntwana nje abantu basazoyibona shame for as long as the IFP is still in existence
yeah kuze ihlelo lomlungisi
but upresident president angithi uzovela afike nje emhlanganweni afika athi uya-honoring umntwana and you are going to use the face of umntwana so abantu they must not be confused upresident in fact is the one leading uku-honorisha umntwana and over and above that uchairperson we-Prince Mangosuthu Foundation upresident we-IFP so une-responsibility eningabi when it comes to ilegacy yomntwana wabaphinda ngene so they must not reduce upresident nje to issue ama t-shirt neface is way above that.
Ngiyabuzisisa ubulungiswa babashayeleka le ndawo yabuza ukuthi ifina ngaphakathi ichaza uchaza I think irole model yakho ubeyirole model yakho umntwana waphinda ke
futhi forever
yena kwayisho litokazi esenhlelweni badlalile forever yena but ke mhlawumbe besinga fast forward Mr Mabaso by the way sihlelo no Mr Mabaso national secretary where youth I got it right now.
Yeah,
national secretary where youth brigade la country usuka we IFP nami ngisho ukuthi IFP youth brigade national secretary nazo yazi khona into engifuna ukuyibuza inenhlanhla ukuthi ube khona ngiyibuze le mathupha manje seniye umntwana waphinda ngeke ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi sidinga 5 days sixoxa ngayo yabona
sidla sonke isikhathi
yazodla sonke isikhathi kunento abayibiza nge-multi party charter kune IFP youth brigade apparently bebengahambisani nayo kuthiwa into kabulawayo ithini position yeni manje regarding that
well mhlawumbe ke ngiqale la so that ngizo create isimo esingathi there is a conflict between president and the IFP brigade when it comes to multi-party charter.
awukhumbula kahle the way ungayifuni kahle
no man not ngiyakhumbula
ngiyakhumbula so this is what happened. The IFP had a delegation of leaders, president, deputy president and the SG. And the IFP brigade ngesikhathi sibhala incwadi. We wrote a letter to 3 leaders.
Yeah.
In fact, it was to 4 leaders, including the national chairperson of the IFP. So we wrote to all leaders. And in our letter, we were actually saying, can the party not commit itself to any of the coalitions before the outcomes of the elections? Because a coalition, in a way, is determined by the electorate, not by ourselves. Abantu abavotayo bese ngithola ama result after that. Bese ama result esho ukuthi kufanele niyenze ne coalition or not ukhona winning. So nokuthi ke ama parties in a way you cannot really say I'm going to work with this one and I'm not going to work with this one. Ungakawabona ama outcomes of the elections ukuthi athi. So that was the basis ke esaswasebenzisa in our arguments. Nokuthi we should not close the door for any possible coalition. So because immediately when you close the door usovalela any possibilities of coalition ukuthi uma kukhona masebenza for example, and we have seen it happening. IFP khona la engacontestanga khona eMzumbe because we failed to submit on time.
The NFP did not contest in 2016 because they failed to submit on time. So now the question will arise, but it was also, I think it's part of submission by the other is. So the question will then be usu sign then abantu usu sign nabo ke sebeyahluleka ukusubmit aba IEC then what? So that's what we are trying to say to the party. But
so you were defeated.
We were raising our issues internally.
But
unfortunately, the letter got out.
But this is what happened. The party had an opportunity to listen to our presentation NEC Sashala, and we discussed the matter, and it opened for our discussions with multi-party chart. They had discussions, and there have been a lot of developments now in addressing izinto esasiyiraise njengeyouth in the IFP. We are pleased with the commitment by leaders ukusilalela njengeyouth, because ngicabanga ukuthi kubalekile kwi-organization ukuthi when young people voice out ama issues leadership ikwazi ukulalela, and ama leaders eparty bakwazi ukusilalela. They afforded us an ear bezwe ukuthi sithini, and they took some of the things, most of the things in fact, into consideration. And that's why they went back to multi-party charter to say, well, if the IFP but what can we do? Then I think we appreciated that, and sekube nama-developments amaningi of which we appreciate njenge-youth ukuthi some of the things were actually considered.
Like?
ukuthi
ukuthi umuntu omile lapha ubona
we should not close the door for any possible coalitions.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So because Tina Pella, that was the base of Lokunjana Yethu. Or what we cannot really close the door. And
so
we're not specific. And we're not specific. We're not specific to political parties. Or which the IFP should invite the EFF or it should invite Action SA. No. Because Minajam IFP, and I believe Uti IFP must be afforded an opportunity to govern alone. So I very much join Lamanyama parties. And I'm a phone. That's why I'm IFP. I'm a phone. IFP nje ngwafuna amanye parties because awayikhuluma vele into engikhuluma. Yes, and I know ukuthi they will not attend to inkinga zabantu the way IFP ngayattenda ngakhona, and that's why I'm on the ground mobilizing people to vote for the IFP. But abantu yibo abazokwenza ukuthi ngiyokhuluma
nini voice ye youth la kwi IFP ngiyeza ukuthi banilalelo bayikhona ukuthi nje ivoice youth
hayi khona ngempela kwi-IFP futhi dating back from umuntu onaphenda ngesaso president ngoba mina ngene ku-NEC umuntu onesaso president. So I can tell you ukuthi IFP nje ibrigade nje ine opportunity engabe ukuraise izinto zayo futhi yalaleleka
kodwa phela ngoba bekwama negotiate the leadership ya understandeka ifuna ngaphumelelanga ngabe multi party. Since multi-party isekhona ubulawayo ekubukeka sengathi uyena ozogcina leader ngenxa yama numbers assume ukuthi mhlambe umholi overall uyothathwa kwi-IFP, but that's me nje ungaread much the television. It's me nje with isigqoko sokanalize but ngiyathokozisa ukuthi i-IFP isiyaba in fact iyabahlonipha abantu abasha
kakhulu. Nje umbono wabantu abasha nje matters in the party. It does big time. Yeah.
When you have battles and you have winners, young people, I mean, now winner within the organization.
Well,
because in the year come up with multi-party chart, but in that okay, including
you see, that was not the first. That was not the only latest I ban. That was not the only latest I ban. But you're not paying.
And we are the repairs.
No, but raising issues internally, you cannot be regarded.
No, what okunye ngathi kuyenzeka ngathi nagcina near we meet. I strongly believe it's because none are receive joy good leadership.
No, we meet as my interviews because but speaks of my interviews which was so yes, and they just people you are given the position something is the position here.
So over manje relationship you I think you are flirting with the EDA. Like the case that they were called.
No, we are not.
When it comes to by-elections,
no, but you see, Tina, with the A, we got one vote 99 win.
Yeah.
Let the A at a contested corner. At the A I contested corner, then Tina as contest. What by-election is a winner, Tina?
No. I equal into on the pet. A corner between the IFP service delivery pet.
Yes, it's service delivery pet land.
Ukuthi khona la ethi iDA la contesta khona iIFP ingangeni. Sometimes la ekhona iIFP iDA ayikho iDA vis-a-vis.
Well, noma ngeke ngibe nama details ayo leya service delivery pack because a province yaKwaZulu Natal. And they are engaged at a provincial level. But into engakutshena yona ukuthi iIFP yawa contest nje ama by-election independently as an organization and yawa win. So when the DA ya contest and my contest ya support and my support, I mean bonke laba masipala sabathola ngo2021 sabathola iDA contest amos.
So why manje uzoba sengathi IFP my winner is because this is a DA. namanje njengoba sekuma elections manje iDA contest bengayingani kwaZulu-Natal ingacontest
yini eyenza ningayithandi lento kubambisana
nje engani you are independent organization
ningabambisana ne-EFF
kakhulu ama elections thina we have demonstrated to the South Africans ukuthi like we are capable nje to lead the government so vele nje yikho sifuna besinikeze opportunity ukuthi siyiphathele sodwa nje so that sizokwazi nje ukusebenza
nisebenzisana ne-EFF
njenge-IFP thina njenge-IFP phela ngokuthi an organization nje ene-interest yabantu so when ama-circumstances nje ethi asebenzisane ne-EFF yini engazi
ukuthi akithi
i-EFF yayaphuma kithi futhi nasiphuma ngakuyo
uBulawayo wayichaza kanjalo ekhuluma athi wamalala ephenduka
vela lokho ngabazi
so I think iyakhipha ama-mayors wayo ama-deputy mayors ukuthi awaphume kulawo ma-relationship asuke nayo yikho ngibuza based on that ukuthi nisengasebenzisana
mabe ngabuya bezohlala nathi phansi mabe ngabuya beze kithi yes thina will sit down with them I feel I feel the principle yokuthi mawufuna uzokhuluma nathi will listen to you thina nje mawufuna uzokhuluma nathi will listen to you but we will tell you ukuthi thina ke njenge organization nanka ama principles ethu nanka ama values ethu thina we are for abantu. Do you agree with this? Yes, I agree. Then let's go and work. It's easy as that. So uma usuhlulwa lokho ke uphinde uyihambele futhi IFP divorce umuntu abantu abasidivorce.
Okay. Okay. Kunento manje ebuye ukuthi no because elections are looming. Be IFP bese ikhuluma nge-stipend so 3,000 rands. Izovela mali in this limping economy benihleli dina or mhlambe electioneering nje ayinto engathi shu.
Let me give it a background. Sase ku policy conference.
Ngenxa yesikhathi uthi
okay. Sase ku policy conference in December.
Yeah.
Makuseke ku policy conference ke Youth Affairs Commission. Yanikezwe task yokukhanda policy on youth affairs. How do we develop abantu abasha South Africa? How do we address some issues ababhekene now? And the issue of unemployed graduates got 3,000 rand came in the discussion. But if you are in ukuthi abantu mase begraduateile sebephumile sebehleli befuna umsebenzi uthola ukuthi abana access to internet abakwazi ukuthola imali ye-transport mhlawumbe move from one area to another behambe befuna umsebenzi and so forth. So kuningi ababhekana nabo ngaphandle and uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe ngaphakathi esikoleni besizwa imali ka-NSFAS yona le ncane ke kodwa uthola bekwazi ukumsiza. So sase sibona thina ukuthi no but ingaba right government uma ingazama uku-assist ama-unemployed graduate ukuthi bekwazi ukutransita from unemployment to a workforce. So kufanele kube naleyo madlanyana encane ezokwazi ukubasiza ukuthi bekwazi ukuyilungisela nokuthi bekwazi ukuthola umsebenzi nokuthi bekwazi ukumove from one point to another point ukuze bekwazi ukuthi beyofuna umsebenzi. So lo grant leyo nje i-IFP kuyipolicy yayo isho lokho and esathi masiqeda masiphuma kwi-policy conference ngoDecember sayi-announce ukuthi this is what we are planning for the IFP and it will form part of our policy because we believe ukuthi akukho ugovernment asawenzile ngempela uku-address issue yalokunjani ama-unemployed graduate. That's why futhi uma kuyi-policy ya-IFP we are saying le mali ehleli kuyisitha yama-billions of rands kufuneka isize i-private sector na all spheres of government uku-absorb ama-unemployed graduate ukuthi sibanikeze ama-in-service training nama-internships sisebenzisele ama-billions ahleli lapha basithi ukuze at least umuntu mayiqeda nje ukufunda akwazi ukuthi angene kwi-workplace athole lo experience encane naleso skill leso ukuze noma iphume yofuna umsebenzi kube ukuthi at least usefamile ne-working environment.
So part of our policy.
Yeah.
So we are very progressive. No, we are very much progressive.
Yeah, I can see. Sometimes I know imali kuthiwa imali eqolo or ngamsana kwaba this halubalunje about my comments I believe ayenziwe inhlangano or the IFP regarding that thing.
Bayathanda ukuthi IFP out of context. You see in the grants yaqala umuntu onawaphinda angene kwi-actual wazulu government. So nje lento ye-social intervention yaqala umuntu. So i-IFP cannot be against its own policies because kwi-constitution yethu in fact ukuthi thina we need to uplift abantu who are from previously disadvantaged communities. So they're underprivileged. So it's responsibility and it's in our constitution, not even in our policy document, in our constitution. Or we need to uplift them. and make sure ukuthi there are social interventions.
Yeah.
You know, attend inkinga zawo on daily basis. So into grant is part of that, but the IFP what is saying ukuthi there need to be sustainability phela. Wena uma usemncane usakwazi ukusebenza yini esingacreate ithuba lomsebenzi ukuthi uhambe usebenza ungadependeli kwi grant, and that's what we are saying in our policy. We need to create the element of self-help and self-reliance kubantu bengadependeli kakhulu kuhulumeni
because they are sustainable.
Ufuneka bekwazi ukuyimela. Angithi reality nje ethi ngempela eqinisweni ngeke umuntu umphilise ngo350 kodwa umuntu mayengathola umsebenzi engahola imali eningi ngabe ngakwazi ukuthi akwazi ukuphilisa umndeni wakhe akwazi ukuyisustain naye. But uma ke wazama ukuyikhuluma because iANC vele isebenzisa lokho ukuthatha amavoti abantu, and that's why iza show ukuthi abantu abayithola umsebenzi khona izolokhu ibahlohla ama grants ukuze izokhuluma ngakho ukuthi isivote engizothi hey nasifuna ukunikeza abantu imisebenzi abantu bebe independent bekwazi ukuyimela abantu bekwazi abantu ukuyithathela ama decisions.
Okay, mhlawumbe before I understand that siyayivala man kama maphansi shots fire. Ngibheka lento ukuthi abanye abantu mhlawumbe mina ngihlalela nabo yabo eMlazi yabo bese bethi showcase IFP ayathatha KZN.
Sisiyathatha.
Siyathatha bebekhuluma but hayi KZN to showcase IFP is taking over after my elections. But basuka kwavele kwaqhamuka iMK. Iphazamisa kangakanani iMK as youth brigade?
Well, angakayiboni la isiphazamisa khona. Sabona nje idlela lapha kwaKhongolose futhi iyasisiza impela idlela kaKhongolose ngoba angithi uKhongolose uthatha idecision yokuthi by governing party but they abakhulumi inkinga ebhekene nabantu. Noma bethola ama platforms kuma media ku media instead yokuthi bekhuluma ukuthi bazothuthukisa kanjani imphakathi ba attend inkinga abantu ababhekene nazo no present ama programs kahulumeni babhizi bathukana neIFP nje. Yabo sebeze bayikhohle ukuthi yibona abalead government. So we have taken over that space again, now we are leading manje everyone njenge organization because sephela kune vacuum laba abantu bakhulumeni sebelahlekelwe yilokhu ifocus
bebhizi bathukana neNkatha ngoba iziki zendlovu ziyabaxaka manje yazamazama la.
Niyathanda ukubizwa ngeNkatha IFP nconyane.
iNkatha Freedom Party.
Yasesho ukuthi kodwa bekithi.
Mawuthi iNkatha?
Yeah.
Yes, angithi iNkatha iNkatha Freedom Party.
iNkatha.
Yes.
Bila ngeNkatha.
iNkatha Freedom Party IFP. So ufuna ukuthi egcineni.
Yeah.
We are fully threatened by the MK.
Yeah.
So I mean they are political party. Bazofuna ama vote and they are very clear ukuthi bazo reduce the ANC of which izosebenzela njenge IFP. They contested in 2 by-elections. We came out victorious njenge organization. So thina vele phela thina noma ubani ufike endleleni ethi sinadlula nawe wena indlovu vele nje nawe yazi noma sesiqwini mayise emgaqweni iimoto ziyabreaka ngoba kusuke sekuma indlovu. So la khona indlovu nje kuma yonke into ngoba vele yiyesu kusiphethe. Yabo siphethe namanje.
No, will be brother wama elections are on 29 May. They're into
ballots there.
Yeah, 3 ballots.
Yeah. So ballot province to province,
region,
province to province IFP, region to national IFP, national to
what the kind of about ballots again? Like I need to have really flail emblem
emblem.
Nikam.
Yes, in Inkatha Freedom Party, then there's an emblem.
My kind of work this time.
Hey, and I born in the Kunjan in a sample ballot. So I can answer
No.
And the man Genesis Penis and Nainaga, but I'm feel upon a beginning cut and job. I only try to. I mean, better than a better thing as well, which in Jamie and ain't proof in that. So, would you I was in I don't know what I know.
Look this. Please, National Secretary IFP Brigade. It's a bit as Mr. Canalisa, no what's missing called the cabinet here, especially in case and should it happen with a dice or roller.
By that time, I'm from Gauteng, Johannesburg, Napin, case and for how many minutes?
45
minutes. No. Anyway, very phone.
Yeah. It looks like I'm not telling you.
Benza tshela nabalaleli bakuthi yazi eMpumalanga sobuya neCity this time and people don't believe it.
Yazi mfethu, it's a bit yazi isikhathi
manje indlovu yazi ngathi ngayijoyina kabusha yazi wabona ujoyina into ubese ngathi ngaphinde uyijoyine futhi okwesithupha.
Yazi mfethu isikhathi sincane bengizafisa ukuthi siye eJohannesburg City lawo active khona. Understand that sikhulume nangeenki uphume hostel isimo siyasema hostela is appalling, you know that uthi nina ke njengoba ususemandleni nawe in a way because ivoice yakho iyazwakala yini enyeza ngama hostel wakwathiwa azophendula ama family units. I don't know how far have they gone with that process, but it's fine. Next time bobuka abazulu lapha abazulu lapha ekuthiwa sebateksini bazothatha vele kuthi umzulu
30 seconds nje ngisephendela into yasegoli.
Serious?
Yes.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. You can you know one time 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Yaqala i-development.
Atheke abaphathi shots vele.
Yaqala i-development ema-hostel. Kwaqala i-development eyaphikisana nesimo sempilo yabantu. ANC yafuna ukuzokwenza ama-consumers. Abantu basema-hostel ayafuna ukube bezorenta nje eGoli. Ayangaba regarded as the residents of Gauteng and of Johannesburg. So ngithe uma ngene njengo-MMC 1 nga-introduce i-program ye-maintenance ema-hostel eyaqasha abantu aba-690 abahlala nje ema-hostel kuphela. 2 ngaqala ngalungisa lezi zindlu ezasezivandalized i-ANC ekade ishiyile nje sayilungisa lezo zinto lezo i-project yakhona yamamhla ngiphuma sahamba saye emzimhlophe sawo remove imkhukhe yo-90 phezu kweSuwaland because we wanted to upgrade iSuwaland yakhona lo project yaba ngesikhathi
20 seconds
eDiepkloof hostel ngihamba ngawufaka ugesi ihostel yaseDiepkloof lokho yaba khona ina almost 60 years akazibe nogesi ngihamba ngawufaka ugesi eDiepkloof hostel eNansfield hostel nabantu ade befladela ngihamba ngoba lungisele holo ngabapartition kahle ngabafaka khona bafuna nyobhedliza lapha ngibakhandela izindlu zabo kabusha. Unfortunately ngaphuma ngingakakwenzi lokho ema-hostel abantu bakuthiwa babhadala ama-rent ngahamba ngawayishintsha zonke lezi zindlu ngayi-converta into RDP houses ukuthi abantu basema-hostel nabehlale mahala njengawo wonke umuntu eGoli. So ilokho-ke sakwenza ngalesikhathi esincane sasinikeza ema-hostel nje.
Vele umlungisi emabazi we-IFP oyi-IFP Youth Brigade National Secretary. Yeah, all the best in my election. I know it's not gonna be easy. Maningi organizations angenele ukhetho, but sinifisela okuhle as i-IFP. In fact wonke ama-organizations siyawafisela okuhle, but asithemba ukuthi ekugcineni this time abantu basemzansi banika ama-political formations i-last chance yokuthi adeliver. I'm not interested in the politics yabo ukuthi ubani ufihleni ngaphansi kwamatrasi ubani usenzeni because lento ayigenzi ngale kudlila lento ayidingi umsebenzi ubani ucabanga ibike that thing doesn't serve anything for umuntu lapha eMlazi yabo continue to clear ukuthi ivaliwe in their pothole lapha ingane zayo esikoleni kusasa young people bayithola yini imisebenzi not even young people because ugcina usumdala eSouth Africa uqala una 25 ungawuthola umsebenzi ugcina usuna 36 38 awukho umsebenzi. So ayinto ama political parties engase address such things because abantu indaba ze-IFP ukuthi lwisana ne-ANC bathukene lento ayingiphu iplate ayibeki iplate etafuleni. By the way, it's been real folks. Don't you dare do what I want to do. If you do it, please take pictures. See you in 7.